What type of responsibilities do you take? How do you help in the household? What qualities do you think you inherit from your parents? Similarities between you and your brother, and disparities as well.
So in my family, we have four members: my father, my mother, my elder brother, and me. So my father has done his BSc in botany from MBM College Bhopal and MBA in marketing from Crims College Bhopal. Sir, he is a businessman, and my mother, she has done her BSc in bioscience from Science College Raipur and her masters in MSc in bioscience from Shiv Nagar University in Raipur. So she is a homemaker and also she has a small business for paintings because she is interested in art. So my elder brother has completed his engineering from UIT RGTV Bhopal and he is currently pursuing MBA from IIM and after that he has been placed in ICICI Bank which he will be joining in 2 months. So some qualities which my father has are he is a very hardworking person and sir he has a very jolly nature in any gathering when he lifts up the mood of the gathering and also sir he is very helpful. I would like to inherit the quality of helping each and every person around you from my father, which I have seen from a very early age, sir. So my mother is very strong and patient, sir. The patience she has is incredible, sir. I would like to inherit the patience she has in herself. And also, like all mothers, she is very caring and very lovable, sir. I would like to inherit that also in me. So coming to my brother, he is very hardworking, and as an elder brother, he is very supportive and understanding. So and for the things I go to and confide to in my family, the first person is my elder brother. We share a very close bond of friendship as well and as of siblings. So and these are the qualities which my parents and my elder brother has come uh, has in them. And the things I help in my household with my father, sir, I usually help him wash the vehicles and clean up the vehicle, and also while he's doing some small household work to provide the equipment by staying there and helping him. So to my mother, I help her in preparing the breakfast, lunch, and preparing the meals, in cleaning the house, in arranging the utensils, in cleaning and dusting the rooms, and also watering the plants, as she is a very fond gardener. So in watering her plants. So and these are the responsibilities I share in my household.
So you only help in cooking, or you can cook something yourself also?
So I can cook on my own also, but I usually at home I help her in preparing the meals.
You are giving an impression of a very goody-goody person. I'm sure there must be sometimes you must be getting a little knock from your parents or something. What is the last time when you got a little peace of mind?
So basically I get some scolding on my physical fitness. My father tells me to daily exercise, which I have started doing very seriously and giving a proper time in my routine. So a little scolding is being reduced, but that was the thing that he wanted me to strictly follow. And also, sir, sometimes we have minor disagreements related to some normal household topics in which I get a scolding, sir. And so one thing
So you are
also,
the younger one in the house. Are you involved in any decision making in the family?
yes, sir. As when I was very young, my elder brother was approached. Now he has went to college for higher studies, and as I also do and from in 11th, 12th, and college. So yes, sir. They consult me for decisions related to family, how where to invest. We are thinking to buy this, and my in the decision making of the family.
Okay, so what are the advantages of being the youngest in the house, and in the next generation, let's say God gives you an option. You want to be the youngest, the middle, or the eldest. Which one would you opt for?
So being the youngest is that you are loved by all in the family. And being a single daughter, I am loved by all in my family. So being the youngest is also that my brother is very helpful, as I mentioned, he's very supportive, so he helps me every single time. And if given a chance, I will not be having any problem being again a younger sibling. So it is of no issue. Sir.
But don't you feel that if you are, the eldest in the family, you have chance to, you are the boss. You can take control of the other children. You can guide them. You don't want to do that?
No, sir, because I have not experienced that myself. So my brother and I tease each other equally. Obviously there is a sense of respect when I am talking to him, but sir, he never bullied me or never forced authority on me. So I feel being
Okay, so April, lots happening around in the country and lots happening in the world as well. How do you keep yourself updated? And can you tell me about three important issues, international and national?
So I keep myself updated by reading the newspaper, The Hindu, and also sir, I follow some YouTube channels in which The Print is my favorite YouTube channel to keep myself updated, and also reading the newspaper. So the three national news of importance at present is, sir, the Mahakumbh is happening in our country, which is the largest and the most biggest religious gathering which is happening in Prayagraj. Lots of people are gathered in Mahakumbh, and recently, because of so much crowding, there has been stampede and some cases of people dying. So for that also, the DIG and the police officials and the CM himself have strictly made more decisions to prevent such stampedes by diverting the crowd to various places for their rituals and not gathering so much crowd at one place. So they are taking steps, and we have seen reduced amount of lives being taken. Then, sir, the second and the most important thing that is happening in the country is the Indian budget of 2025-26 has been recently put out on 25-26 on 1st of February. So it is a very major event for the country and for all the people, because at the end of the day, it's the money of the people that the government are using for applying all these policies. So it is a very major event in which the government has taken many steps for the development of the country. So the third news that I recall is recently, Sir PM Narendra Modi has inaugurated a temple in Indonesia, in which the Lord.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So it is of
International.
Sir, three international news, sir. There have been reforms by the President, US President Donald Trump. So first of all, he has put the reform of tariffs on the EU. So because of which he is applying new tariffs on the European Union, and basically on the trade unions and the trade sector. Because of which the relations between the US and the US tries to put new tariffs so that they get some ease in transports and exports. So they try to implement new tariffs. So the implementation of
Why is he putting all these new tariffs? Are the tariffs new, or is he raising the tariffs?
Sir, these are new tariffs. Sir. Earlier tariffs were present, but he is increasing them and he is making some changes. So new tariffs are being implemented, and sir, these are basically related to trade and this will affect the automobile and the agriculture sector of the EU also. That's why it is of main concern, and in which India has both the positive and negative, as India can see it as an opportunity also for increasing trade and relations in that sector. Sir, and also one of the biggest news that is happening is related to Donald Trump. He has removed the temporary protection for the Venezuelan people that were residing in the US, which was earlier for them because of the humanitarian crisis. So he has removed the temporary protection, because of which the people are vulnerable and at most risk and are risk for displacement and all. Then the third thing, sir, that is of concern is also the Panama Canal problem that is occurring because of the.
You seem to be very interested in the United States.
Sir,
Tell me something of United States. Tell me some news which is not relating to the
Yes,
United
sir.
States.
Sir, the second news is that the Ebola virus is being developed in Uganda, because of which the treatment centers are set up in the capital city of Kampala. Because earlier also they have faced the crisis of Ebola viruses, which was of a difficult concern. So
Okay.
this time they have put measures to prevent them and more rightly to use and set up.
Okay, Priyal, so if you were to assess your own self, what do you think would be the assets or the strong points, and what would be the areas where you would like to improve